What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look what is on my Galaxy A53. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We're going to get straight into the Galaxy A53 right here in my hand. Now I have been using this for a little over a month, I believe now, and I've really enjoyed this device. Obviously, I don't have a case on this, so if you guys can recommend me a thin case for the A53, let me know, because I've been trying to find like a carbon fiber one, and if there are any sponsors watching this video or people that want to send me cases, let me know. And if you guys have a case for this phone, put me on and let me know what case you're using. Now getting into the phone, obviously we took a look at the body style. You guys know all about this, seamless to the camera, seamless kind of transition. But we have some cool stuff on here. The first one that I have right here is Samsung Notes. Now I am a creative and I do a lot more stuff than YouTube, so I tend to jot my ideas down straight away. I feel like that's the best action to do. So all we have to do is go ahead and hold on the screen, and then we click on widgets right here. If you click on widgets, it's going to take you to the Samsung Notes. All you do is hold it, drop it right there, and you guys can type up your notes just straight right there, because I feel like it's better to just open up your phone and have your notes handy if you guys have ideas constantly like I do, or you can even jot down notes as well, which is cool. So if you guys are creatives and you guys have ideas constantly and you kind of forget about them a lot, you guys may not have a good memory, I definitely put that widget right there. Definitely helps a lot on execution. Next application is going to be Pluto TV. Now I'm sure a lot of you know about Pluto TV already, but this is completely free. This application streams completely free movies and TV shows. They do have applications, but as you guys see, we have Sanford and Son right here. You guys can watch these live. They're just gonna have little ads on here, but it's definitely worth it. Obviously, Mission Impossible 2 is on here as well. We got Scary Movie. It's literally like on demand, or I think they call it Spectrum nowadays, where you just clock in and you watch whatever you want. So pretty cool, kind of nice to get that on demand feeling on a phone again. Really cool application if you guys want to watch some movies and TV shows, especially classic ones. Next application we're going to get in is Electron. Now, I recommend you guys download this application because it shows you the degenerative life of your battery. So obviously it has been stated that we have 5,000 milliamps in the Galaxy A53, so that advertised that, but after our use on this battery, it wears it down, and as you guys see, we're at 4,860. Now it could have been at 4,860 the whole time. It probably wasn't 5,000 milliamps, or it was probably a little bit lower, but this is going to show you after a year or two where your battery capacity is at and where the health is at, and it shows you the status of your battery health as well. We're at good, and the real capacity, it shows you your charging status as well. And this is really cool. I thought this was cool. Current milliamp level. Nice to see that type of stuff. Very accurate. I would definitely check that out. Shows you the temperature of your device as well if you guys are into gaming, and if you guys should put it down and maintain the health of the phone. But yeah, check that application out. I definitely check that out just to keep your phone's health good. Next application right here, obviously Spotify, very self-explanatory. You listen to music on it. I don't use Apple Music. If you do, leave it in the comment section down below. I like Spotify. I really enjoy Spotify. I listen to the Joe Rogan podcast on there a lot. That's honestly why I listen to Spotify mostly. I listen to a lot of music, but I do listen to podcasts on here. And some of the podcasts on Spotify are exclusives because they did contracts with certain creators. So really do like Spotify over Apple Music. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys like. And obviously we have YouTube Studio. This isn't going to have my account on here. This is just a trap account right here. So this isn't, obviously my analytics. But if you guys want to be YouTubers, if you guys want to monetize your passion and create videos for it, which I absolutely recommend in this gig economy, I would definitely get on that straight away. And yeah, just start. Don't even think about it. Just start. And it will turn into something great if you don't quit and stay consistent. So definitely a great application if you guys are thinking about using YouTube. We have our dashboard, which basically shows you your analytics, your content, and the comments that you get every single day. And we have our separate ones right here, content, analytics, comments, and we have our playlist as well. So nice to have that on hand if you're a YouTuber, and I use that application pretty much religiously. Now the font that I have on my phone right here is going to be, I believe, Gothic, but we're gonna go ahead and check. It says font size and style. Obviously we're on bold font. The font size and style right here is Gothic Bold. So we are on Gothic Bold. They do have a bunch of other fonts. We have default Samsung 1, and if you guys go to download fonts, you guys can actually pay for premium fonts, and there's a bunch of free ones on here too. So if you guys want some cool fonts on here, I definitely check this out. Go to the top free, pick some out, and change up the vibe of your phone. We have a few more applications on here, but getting into the gaming applications, we have Call of Duty, PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact. These are kind of a litmus test I run on the phone for gaming every single time I get a new phone, just to check the graphic quality and see how it runs. But honestly, play Call of Duty pretty much every single day. You know, at the end of the day after work, just go over here, play some Call of Duty, and then I'll listen to like a podcast from like Jordan Peterson or something like that. But really, really good game. If you guys haven't played it, I love this. I love that we get the old Black Ops maps. You know, that was my favorite Call of Duty of all time. So I love that we get the Black Ops maps like Nuketown and things like that. So love Call of Duty mobile. If you guys haven't checked that out, I definitely play it. Great controls. Really, really nice game, honestly, and all. And if you guys know already, I have this dope wallpaper. Now, this is kind of like a vaporwave-esque wallpaper. I really do like vaporwave type stuff. I'm sure you guys can tell already. I have Kavinsky Night Call for my intro, and I have that type of, you know, burning city with like purple and blue flames in my intro. So if you guys want to download really, really nice material 4K wallpapers, or you know, vaporwave wallpapers. They have a bunch of different collections as well. They have stuff like gaming, neon lights, black AMOLED, 4K wallpaper, cars, and stuff like that. This has been my favorite wallpaper application probably for the last 4 years now. So if you guys want to check that out, I definitely recommend it. That is my favorite wallpaper application. Our next application right here is IM. Now this is an application for widgets, and I thought I'd just go ahead and show you how to use this application. So as you guys see, IM, positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. The power of affirmation lies in repeating them to yourself regularly to reinforce the positive belief. So I really, really recommend this, guys. I'm not going to go too far into this, but if you say something over and over again and you repeat it, you're going to start believing it. This is why lying is actually really, really dangerous, because people start believing their lies, and then it kind of tricks their spirit. You know, you guys may not believe it, but we are a 3-part being. We are spirit, soul, and body. And you know, it kind of tricks your spirit. So I would definitely, if you guys have any motivations or goals, if you don't have them, I would get them for sure. But I would set up this application, and it gives you a positive quote every time you wake up, and it's correlated to whatever you input in here. So if you continue, it shows you your gender and all that other type of stuff, and it asks you certain things like what is your goals and stuff like that. It's going to give you quotes that are tailored towards that goal. So really nice to have that, to where you wake up every morning and you have a widget right there saying, you know, some motivational quote. So if you guys want that, or if you need it, I definitely check that out. And the last application on here, and this is probably my favorite. I use this a lot for thumbnails. If you guys don't know about this already, this is what you guys need to check out. It's called What the Font. What the Font. So as you guys see right here, we have a product. All you have to do is scan whatever font you want. You can scan a mouse, you can scan, you know, a sign, you can scan a newspaper. But we're gonna go ahead and scan this font right here with the Galaxy A53 5G, and it is gonna highlight all the text that we see in the picture right here. Now all you have to do is click on whatever one you want. If you want that down there, click on it. I want this Galaxy A53 5G font. Click continue. And as you guys see, it's gonna get the font results. And it says the Bambino New Bold is the closest font to the Galaxy A53 5G font. And then you guys can go ahead and type whatever you want in here, and it's going to save as the font. So we're going to type in TechRight, and we have TechRight in the Samsung font. So if you guys are creatives, or you guys want to just, you know, put your name in a different font or play around with that, I think that's a really cool application. Yeah, guys, that is what is on my Galaxy A53 5G. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys did get some value from this video. But this has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.